Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some interesting thing. Let's say we need a light correctly in center, meaning from this point to this point center. So normally we can do like this. We can draw a polyline like this and copy one of this light, copy and quick from the center point. Okay, then we go here and click. This is one way. And the other one, easiest way, which I'm going to teach you, just copy this one, Control Shift C on the center point, right click, center. Okay. Now just Control V, like Shift, press the Shift and right click, mid between 2 points. So click this one and click here and click here. The light will be here. So you can continue same like this. Control V, between 2 point, click, click. So I need more. Let's say this toilet. Right click between 2 points. Sorry, Control V. Shift right click in between 2 points. Click and click. So it will come here. Even you can draw like polyline. Shift right click between 2 point. Let's say here to here. Yes. So you can do anything, whatever you want. So this is a good easiest tool. So you can do your work very fast. If you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.